we start this process of mobilization by focusing our attention on your breath. So when you're ready, allow yourself to lie on the mat. Let your head rest back onto the mat, or your gentle, structured, your support. Let your shoulders drop back into the mat, and notice an evenness between the right and the left shoulder, if possible. Move the shoulders away from your ears, so they're moving relatively to your body, moving down towards your pelvis, away from your ears. And notice how your rib cage along the back of your body, how it's positioned and placed on the mat as you're breathing. You're breathing with the mouth closed, if possible, breathing through your nose. And as you're resting down into the mat, bringing your attention to your pelvis, how you feel the pelvis is connecting, awareness of evenness, or as close to evenness as possible, right and the left pelvis, the hips, the buttocks. And feeling the sensation, your legs, stretch them out, kind of walk your legs, your feet away from your hips and just stretch out a little bit. Just feel a lengthening sensation. And as you're lying and resting with an awareness of breathing through the nose with the mouth closed, your eyes can remain opened or closed for this practice. Bring your attention into this moment by focusing your attention on the breath. Bring your mind into the space that you are resting right now. Breathing ever so gently in through your nose and ever so gently out through your nose. Just notice the sensation of your breath, inhaling and exhaling. Breathing. Letting go of all effort. Feel the muscles along your face begin to relax. Feel the muscles along your neck and chest begin to relax. Feel the muscles in your abdomen and torso begin to relax, letting go. You are exactly where you need to be right now. Inhaling and exhaling. Feel and bring your awareness to your hips and feel the muscles of your hips and thighs releasing and relaxing, and the muscles in your lower legs, your ankles and feet. And as you are breathing, focusing on being exactly where you are exactly where you need to be in your space. We bring our attention to the places of your body, and there's just a few that we're going to identify. Places in your body that are moved. We can use the longer word mobilized while you are breathing. The belly, the ribs, the chest, the front of your torso. But you'll also notice that when you expand in the belly, you might feel a little action at your low back because those muscles weave all the way around your torso. When you expand the ribs, you'll feel not just the front of the chest, but you'll feel possibly the back of your ribs that are resting on the mat kind of expand and press into the mat. So when you're ready, bringing your awareness to your breath, mouth closed, breathing through your nose, bring your right hand onto your lower abdomen. With your elbow, when your right hand is resting on your lower abdomen, let the right elbow just rest on the mat. So that as you are here in this moment, you're not working hard to hold your hand and arm in place. With your right hand, the fingertips on your lower abdomen as you are breathing with the mouth closed. Feel the belly rise as you inhale and feel the belly fall. Inhale, feel the expansion of your abdomen, and exhale, feel everything release and relax and drop down. Inhale, feel the expansion of your abdomen, and exhale, feel everything drop down. Inhale, expansion. Exhale, relaxation. Breathing in and breathing out. This is a first place of awareness. Keep breathing. Noticing how the belly rises and falls as you inhale and exhale. So soft, smooth, and rhythmic. The diaphragm is a beautiful muscle that is connected comes from the interior of your ribs, right at the very bottom, at the place where your ribs then move and your abdomen is next. And that muscle divides your chest cavity from your abdominal cavity, and that diaphragm contracts. There's a spark of energy from your nervous system that causes the contraction. And when the diaphragm contracts, it drops down into your abdomen, and that pushes the belly contents, the stomach and the guts, out. That's why the belly rises. When it's pressing down like that, it creates more space in the chest cavity, the thoracic cavity, and that allows the lungs to expand and fill with air. When that diaphragm relaxes, it pushes back up into the thoracic cage, and that means it pushes up on the diaphragm. The diaphragm pushes up on the lungs, and that makes the lungs create an exhalation. It blows the air out. Bring your left hand to your rib cage, right? And when you place your left hand on your rib cage, where your pinky finger is at the very bottom of your rib cage, that's about where the diaphragm is, so that when you inhale, the belly rises, the ribs expand outward, and then as you exhale, the ribs and the belly drop down. It's so subtle, smooth. Feel that massaging action. It's a rhythmic movement. Inhale, expansion, and exhale, relaxation. Inhale, expansion outward, and exhale, relaxation. And then we bring your right hand now to your upper chest, and you're allowing your elbows to rest on the mat. And here you find when you inhale, the belly rises, the ribs expand, and the chest gently rises. And when you exhale, everything drops down. Inhale, the belly expands, the ribs expand, the chest rises, and as you exhale, everything drops down. Continue to breathe expansion, inhaling, and relaxation, exhaling, everything drops down. Inhaling and exhaling. This process of focused awareness on maintaining smoothness in your breath, this is the only thing that you have to do for this practice. You only have to breathe. That's it. The only thing you have to do is breathe. Allow your body to drop down, resting into the surface of your mat. Let the eyes relax. Let the muscles around your face, cheeks, and chin relax. Inhaling and exhaling. Keeping your awareness on maintaining a smooth rhythm of your breath. Recognizing that pattern. Inhaling and exhaling. Feel the sensation of all effort dropping. Keeping your mind in this moment. One of the ways that we are able to do that is to focus our attention on something. The breath is one. You can inhale to the count of 4 in your mind and exhale to the count of 4 in your mind. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Continue. So we're inhaling slowly for the count of 4, and we're exhaling slowly for the count of 4. Inhaling slowly to the count of 4, expanding. Exhaling slowly to the count of 4, squeezing all air out. Inhaling slowly. Exhaling slowly. As you continue, if you are breathing in this pattern, even pattern, inhaling 4, exhaling 4, some of you will begin to alter the pattern to inhale to the count of 4 and exhale to the count of 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue with your breath at whichever tempo and pace feels right for you. Breathe. Gentle, focused, steady. Inhale and exhale. Breathe well. Reaching arms and legs away from your center, gently bending the knees, gradually rolling onto your side. Slowly rolling onto your side and coming into the seated position. Mindful, aware, connected. We close with one long, strong Om. We each have the power within us to bring ourselves, our minds, our bodies, and our spirits into balance. There is nowhere to go. When we go within, when we quiet our mind, it allows that process, and it is powerful. In the least, what we can do is become aware of our own response to situations when we are overwhelmed, overtired, overstimulated, when we live in fear or worry. We have everything we need. It's about awareness. Pay attention. Notice. Notice the things that cause you to stress. Those things will still exist. This practice doesn't stop those things from causing you distress, but what can happen is you can begin to become aware of those triggers that cause you to get distressed. And now you can implement your tools, your breath, your focus, your awareness of maintaining your well-being. We close with one long, strong Om. Inhale. Inhale, reach the arms skyward, gently place the palms together, move them past the mind's eye, drop them down to the heart center. Blessings to each of you. Thank you for allowing me to serve you in this practice. Thank you for honoring yourself, mindful, breath, aware. Powerful, powerful medicine that you create for yourself, for your long-term well-being. Namaste.